How to log out from your account on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log out from your account on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and first thing we're gonna do here is click this one, this 3 points in the bottom corner and then just go down until you find this one, Logout, and not this one. Click Logout and then click Logout again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.